is a story about that place that talk about an old woman that take the child. I heard some rumors. This old woman take young child from the living zone of the mountain to this place to sacrifice them to I don't know what divinity. And every night at midnight, if you come here alone, you can hear the screaming of the child and the log of the witch. So I don't think to spend the night here, but I must. Oh, it's a scary place. Scary place here.
Oh, yep.
So now we got to take some woods and build a repair for the night. Okay, go. Okay, I found the place to stay here for the night, and I think it's comfortable because I'm covered from those trees and the wind is not forte. So see you tomorrow morning, and I hope I'm alive and the witch not come here. See you.
Look, cultura calda.
Let's go. Let's go, cameraman. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's recalmo.
Hey, I hear some screaming cat. See how many baccarat here, here, here. See, it is necessary. If you wanna hit one of these, you want one. Take target.
Oh shit.
Oh God.
Oh shit.
Like it.
No.
Ooh.
After that.
Okay, shit. Now I'm going to eat whole in one time. Time. It's amazing, guys. It's oh my God!